Isn't this crazy to see two generations of AirPods with one phone? Because this was the exact same AirPods that I paired with this exact same phone, and now I'm going to pair this new third generation AirPods to this exact same phone that I paired with this exact same AirPods over a few years ago. And it works pretty well, as you can see here. This has spatial audio, by the way, and it's MagSafe compatible. Yes, I can now use this with my MagSafe Duo. This is not wireless charging supported case, as you can tell by this light here, which is very orangey. It has not been charged for a long time, ever since I started using the Samsung Galaxy Buds 2. But yeah, lightning, this still has lightning, no USB-C. Apple, please, in the future put USB-C on your phones and AirPods. We are begging you, just get rid of lightning altogether. So if you had a wireless charging case for this original AirPods, then the light will be here just like what's on there. But because it's not, it's on the light is over there. So yeah, so I'm gonna have some fun time with the third gen AirPods, so I can't wait. But anyway, let's get this video started. What's up guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Niveth Legend123, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the AirPods third generation. So the AirPods first generation we unboxed a few years ago on this channel, and the AirPods Pro I didn't do it because it was already a few years old. And then we finally come to the newcomer of this year, the AirPods third generation. So as you can see here, we have the Apple logo here, and we have also have another Apple logo here, and we have the AirPods with MagSafe charging case. Yes, we can use this set of AirPods and charge these AirPods using the MagSafe Duo that we have here, which I've just covered on Niveth Legend123 a few days ago. So as you can see at the back, we can see here that AirPods designed by Apple in California, assembled in China. AirPods with MagSafe charging case, and it says the same in other languages. And here's the Apple address. So let's get right into it. Okay, so let's open that seal. I'm just going to take this green arrow right here and open it like such, and the last one we need to take it out as such. Okay, so let's open this box. Okay, so let's open this box. Here we have designed by Apple in California. Inside are some papers. Here we have the AirPods instruction manual. So here, to connect to iPhone or iPad with the latest software, follow steps 1 to 2. For all other devices, see fourth panel on this side. And it says here we need to turn on the Bluetooth, and we need to connect to Wi-Fi and then turn on Bluetooth. I guess this is for updating the AirPods software. And here we have to connect the AirPods and open case and hold near device to set up. Apple devices signed in to iCloud Pay automatically, just like my original AirPods. So if we are using this with a non-Apple device, we can just connect it to other devices. With AirPods in open case, press button on back until light blinks, then choose them in Bluetooth settings. Pretty straightforward. On the back, here also some additional instructions. I don't use the touch control, I just use whatever is on the phone. And here we have spatial audio. The AirPods Pro does that. The only feature it has additionally that this third generation AirPods don't have is noise cancellation. So yeah, so you can charge AirPods wirelessly. Oh wait, did I mention that this has wireless charging as well as MagSafe charging? Yes, this AirPods third generation has MagSafe charging. The first generation AirPods don't have it. If you have bought the wireless charging case, then it'll be compatible, but if you have not bought the wireless charging case, then like mine, then yeah, it won't work. So yeah, can't believe the third generation AirPods have MagSafe, man. I'm so happy. Here has the warranty summary. This is all the warranty information. If you want to pause the video, you can read all of this. Here we have the safety and handling. Handle AirPods and case with care. This is similarly to what we saw in the MagSafe Duo. Different languages right there. And finally, we have the regulatory compliance information. So it complies with FCC standards, which is very crucial because you don't want any harmful substances to enter your body and kill you instead. So yeah, thank goodness FCC is doing all of this. And here we have the main event itself, the AirPods 3rd generation. So I'm going to take it out carefully, like so. As you can see, this is the button which we can use to pair the AirPods with non-Apple devices. Let's set this up. Okay, so we have the main star of the show itself, the AirPods 3rd generation. It has MagSafe functionality and it has spatial audio, something which these AirPods don't have. This is my original AirPods that I unboxed on eBay Legend 3 a few years prior. It's still working, but this is going to be replaced by this. So let's peel this off. There's 2 tabs here. Need to peel this off. Almost dropped it, but doesn't matter. Here we have the main star of the show, the AirPods 3rd generation. I'm going to open the case. Wow, just look at it. Oh my god, this is so big. Like we compare the newer AirPods, the older AirPods, we can see just how big this AirPods is compared to the original ones. Maybe it's because of that spatial audio. Okay, let's connect this to the 10R and see how well it connects. Okay, so we have the AirPods 3rd generation here and the iPhone 10R. So we're going to open this case. You have a white light blinking. I actually didn't notice that. It was just blinking like that. Ah, there we go. AirPods connect. Media control. Press once on either AirPod to play pause. Twice to skip forward. Oh yeah, I didn't see that. Announce calls and notifications. When supported headphones are connected, Siri will announce calls and time-sensitive notifications you can respond to by speaking to Siri. I don't want that right now. Not now. There you go. Okay, so we have 85% in these two, left and right, and we have 53% battery for the case. So we'll say continue. Not now. There you go. 85% for the speakers and 52% for the case itself. So let's test this out. So I'm just going to take out the AirPods here and go to a video. I'm just need to connect it to the AirPods 3rd generation. Pretty simple. Let's get this video started. Let me put this in my ear. Oh, as soon as I put it inside my ear, it says announce calls and notifications. No, not now. It actually fits better than my original AirPods. So yeah, let's end this video real quick. Oh yeah, and one thing I forgot to mention is that there's this light there, which I didn't see at first, because I always thought the light was here, because I've been using this AirPods for basically a few years now, and I always thought the light was here. Right now it has no charge, but then for the first time I thought the light was here, but then it was here. So I didn't know this at first. Oh yeah, the AirPods thing came up. So this has been a really nice journey with this original set of AirPods. It was very nice using them, but I feel like the time is to move on with these 3rd gen AirPods, because they fit very, very well and much better than these AirPods, because they don't fit in my ear. They kind of fit in my ear, but yeah, you get the point. Actually, at this point, these AirPods don't even fit anyone's ears. Let's just be real here. but these AirPods, they fit very well. They fit very comfy in my ears. So yeah, I mean, is it better than the Samsung Galaxy Buds 2? Honestly, I don't want to say here. I mean, Samsung versus Apple, I think I'm pretty neutral on this. So yeah. Okay, so before ending this video, I wanted to share with you something really funny. So I was just double checking the box if I left anything behind. If it turns out I left this cable. I thought maybe because the iPhone 13 Pro Max, they didn't include any cable. I thought they'll do the same for AirPods. Turns out they still issue the cable. I have way too many of this now. So I didn't see this. So yeah. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Comment on how should I improve my video below. I'll see you guys in the next video.